Ready to supercharge your FC Mobile squad and dominate the pitch? Let's dive into league training. Alright, first things first. From the main menu, keep an eye out for the training icon. Typically located near the lower part of your screen, let's tap on that to get started. Great! Now you're in the training hub. Look for the league training match option. It might be displayed as part of a carousel or a list of training activities. Tap on that league training match to proceed. On the league training match screen, you'll find the objectives you need to complete. Pay close attention to these objectives, as they vary and are designed to test different skills like passing accuracy, shooting power, or defensive tactics. Now it's time to get on the field and complete the objectives. Use your skills and strategies to fulfill the requirements of each objective. For example, you might need to score a certain number of goals, complete a set number of passes, or successfully defend against opponent attacks. Once you've successfully completed all the objectives, you'll receive a completion message. Confirming your success, you will be able to see the rewards as well. These rewards usually include player experience coins or other valuable items that will help improve your team. Congratulations! You've completed a league training match. By consistently participating in these training matches, you'll enhance your skills, boost your team's overall performance, and climb the ranks in FC Mobile. Now get back in the action and keep training. Good luck!